At Bridgetek we develop innovative bridging solutions including our embedded video engine graphics controllers. In this video we'll use our EVE device to control two RGB LED lights via a color picker, which is ideal for applications such as smart lighting systems and many more. First of all, let's take a look at the hardware. Here we have a Bridgetek 7-inch 800 by 480 TFT display with 5-point capacitive touch. We have our ME817EV module with BT817 on board. We can connect to an MCU via this SPI and QSPI header or to a PC via the onboard FT422H bridge. We power the board via this USB-C connection, and we have our RGB and I2C touch connections here as well as an LVDS output. The VA1001A universal adapter is used to interface the RGB and touch signals to the display panel. We have our MM2040 EV module here with RP2040 MCU. We have connectors for the RP2040 I/O, the SD card and for the EVE module. The MCU board connects directly to the ME817 EV. We use 6 pulse width modulation, or PWM, channels from the RP2040 to control the two sets of RGB lights. We use a small transistor circuit here to drive the LEDs, with the outputs connected to our two LED strips. We have written an application in VS Code which displays a color gradient image with two cursors A and B to select the colors. Powering up the MM2040 EV whilst holding the boot button makes it appear as a storage device, and we can drag the UF2 file onto it. The calibration screen appears where we can tap the dots. Note that in the final application we can load saved values instead to avoid the calibration every time. We now see the color picker. As we move cursor A here we see the indicator change and the LED strip A set to the selected color. Likewise, for cursor B, we see the indicator and the LED strip B reflect the selected color. As we move cursor A, the application gets the coordinates from the BT817's touch engine, determines the color and updates the PWM. As we move cursor B, the LED strip B changes in real time to reflect the selected color. This application leverages the BT817's image support and touch tagging features to minimize both MCU workload and development time. We can move both cursors at the same time too, and in fact up to 5 points at the same time due to the multi-touch capability of the display and BT817. With Bridgetek's embedded video engine, you can add intuitive user interfaces to control real devices such as lighting, motors and many more. Elevate the user experience. It's easy with EVE.